This is Timeless Secret Moringa Kojic soap. So it has the power. I used Nivea Lotion and I got dark overnight. Like I woke up looking like a shadow of myself. That will help if you're having green veins, stretch marks, your skin is sagging and all of that. You need to start adding. So today I'm going to be taking you through my brightening skincare routine. That video you all have been asking me for. Today is the day. Since last year October, you all have been asking me for an updated skincare routine from the previous one I did, and I've not shot that video because I really wanted to be sure about things and make sure that anything I'm telling you is 100% accurate. Okay, so here we have it. Everything I use, my lotions, my soap, and my body oils, how I use it and everything. If you're not new to my channel, you know that I had a former skincare routine that I showed when I was using Omega Super Clear and all of that. So now we have upgraded and the patterns have changed a little bit and all of that. So I'm going to take you through everything. I don't know why I'm super excited about this video. Are you excited about it? If you are, just like this video for me. That's all you owe me, to say that you love me. Yes, thank you. Please like the video. So yes, I'm going to take you through everything and how I use it. My routine is broken into two parts. I have my weekday routine, I have my weekend routines. We are going to be talking about everything, by the way. So my weekday routines, which is Monday to Friday, are days I do not use anything brightening. I don't actually use any lightening thing on my skin anymore. Yes, we have upgraded because the theme for this year is glowy skin, radiant skin, glass skin, but overall under all this is healthy skin. We need to put health in top priority for our skin this year. So to that effect, I am very particular about the ingredients I am using on my skin this year. And if you're a member of this channel, I think you should also be particular about the products and ingredients you're using on your skin this year. So over to the skincare routine. So I use Mondays to Fridays. As I said, I do not use any brightening or any active skincare ingredients on my skin. That is because Mondays to Fridays I usually go out, I'm in the sun, I'm here, I'm there. So I just make sure I don't use anything on my skin that is going to react badly to the sun and maybe give me some kind of reactions. So to that effect, my morning skincare routine is basically just using moisturizers and oil. Now this is not particular to any type of moisturizer. Do you get? Last year, that's why my basket is full. I don't use, this is not everything I'm using. Okay, my basket is full because I still have old products. I just want to show you for clarity's sake. So last year I used, from that September, October, November, December, I used this. I started with this. Okay, then I used this also. That was last year. These things are empty. Then when I was using it, I used it with this oil. I used it with this turmeric oil. I also used collagen oil as well. So in the morning, what I just use is I use my body lotion and then I use my body oils together. I don't mix it. I mix it in my palm. So that last year, I was still using Omega Super Clear as my brightening skincare lotion. A lot of you have been asking me questions about Omega Super Clear. The cream is good. The cream is good. But one thing I have to say is do not overuse it. Okay, it's a cream that if you use it for a period of time, if you get what you want, you discontinue use. It's not a cream you use for a lifetime. And if you have used it and it didn't work for you or something, maybe you are expecting too much from the pore cream. It is just a brightening, toning body lotion. It is not going to give you 2-3 shades lightening. Okay, for those of you that say use it did not work for you, maybe you are looking for something extra that Omega Super Clear cannot give you. But if you just want to tone up, if you want something to brighten you up, if you want something to keep your skin bright and clear, Omega Super Clear is going to do that for you exactly. So that is my morning routine. Very simple: moisturizer and oil. And then at night, I just use my oils. But the truth is, why I have not shared this routine, as I said, I was still trying to make sure that my routine is like my T's, my dots, everything has been crossed and dotted. That last year, I was still using my body lotion at night, but I found out that I was irregular with that routine because some nights will be hot. My country is very hot. I'm in Nigeria, it's very hot, and we don't have 24 hours power supply. So some nights there's no light, and I can't be rubbing lotion when I'm sweating. So I found out that routine wasn't working for me. So Instead, what I now found out that started working for me was to use only body oils at night. And this particular Disaar brand, their oil is lightweight, their oil is nice, it brightens the skin. It does not lighten the skin, but it gives you this brightening, it clears your skin, it gives you this radiance, this glow that you would want. So I just use it at night. And plus, even using only oils on your skin is actually very, very beneficial, because it's going to help you with sagging skin. If you're having wrinkles, if you have anything you want to heal on your body oils are the best bet for you. Sometimes we overhype moisturizers that we even forget that body oils also work. I have someone that just uses body oils on her skin, and her skin is so beautiful. Do you get? So at night I now use only body oils on my skin, because this is an oil I can use whether I'm sweating, whether I'm not sweating, whether the weather is cold or hot. I can use my body oils, and that routine has been working for me for months. That was why I have not shared the routine in the past, because I felt myself, I'm not even keeping to the routine, and I'm coming to share it with you. So right now, I have used this routine over and over again, different weather, rainy season, dry season, and it works. So in the night, I just use my oils. So that your favorite oil that you are pairing with your lotion, at night, just use only it. You don't need to do too much. Do you get? So that is my morning and night routine. Morning, I use my moisturizer and my oil, and at night, I use my oil. So it can be any oil. You can choose to use a different oil at night. Like this year, this one now is an update of my last year routine. This year, I'm using a different oil at night. We are going to get there. So for my weekend routine last year, I was using my Omega Super Clear. Sometimes I use it once a day just as a spirit list. Then at night I use my collagen oil, because that last year I was also using collagen oil. If you get, so sometimes I use it morning and night, sometimes I just use it one. But the point is, I set out my weekends to be the days I sort of repair my skin. So I repair my skin from whatever that the sun or whatever environmental this thing must have done to my skin during the day, during the week. So weekends are my repair mechanisms. Do you get? So that is what I want you to pick out from this routine. If you're watching this video, it's not just about the products I use, it's about my pattern. Okay, so if you have that special product you want to use, or you have that skin condition you want to treat, okay, you can just set out the weekends to use that product. Use your exfoliating body lotions, use your retinol creams, use your collagen creams, and all of that. Weekends are just the days I have set out to repair my skin. But for me personally, I do not really have any skin condition I'm repairing. I'm just on maintenance mode. I'm just on maintenance mode, right? So that was for last year. Then this year, I decided to be specific about my moisturizer. So this year, I decided to start adding butters to my skincare routine, because if you're not new to my channel, you know that my skincare routine has been going like this. I started from repairing my skin, stopping lightening creams, and all of that. So I would say I'm in between, slightly still repairing my skin and also maintaining my skin complexion. So this year I decided to use a cocoa butter cream, but when I went, I didn't see any cocoa butter, so I had to get this Nivea Nourishing cocoa. And trust me, I also got this Nivea just to clear the phobia I used to have for Nivea. If you watched that my video where I said that I used Nivea lotion and I got dark overnight, like I woke up looking like a shadow of myself. So I also got this Nivea to clear that phobia I used to have for it. And trust me, it has, because this cream has been nothing but good to my skin. I've been using it for over a month now, and it has not darkened me or anything. So I got this for two purposes. One is to clear the phobia I used to have for Nivea lotions. Two is also because I specifically wanted to use cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is very, very good for the skin. If you're scared of using shea butters and all of that, you can go to using cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is more nourishing. It has natural fat, that will help to build your skin barrier. That will help if you're having green veins, stretch marks, your skin is sagging and all of that. You need to start adding butters to your skin. So that was why I said this year I need to start adding butters to my skin, and very soon I think I will even start doing DIYs of some little formulations of skincare formulations with butters and all of that, but that might be later. But for now, we have to buy. So that is why I got this lotion. So since this year, I've been using this with my vitamin C. So Mondays to Fridays this year, this is what I've been using, and it has been nothing short of good to my skin. Okay, so yeah, then at night for this year, I have been using my collagen oil. Okay, I like this oil. Like, this is the second time I'm buying this oil. This turmeric oil I used last year, I didn't repurchase. The vitamin C I'm using now, this is the first time I'm using it. But this collagen, I bought it last year and I bought it again. That is to tell you that it is good. This is a body oil that I noticed that it has a brightening effect more than the turmeric that I used last year. I'm still onto the vitamin C, so I'm still like, is it what, how does it work? But this particular one, I have seen that when I apply this at night and wake up in the morning, after some days I notice that my skin feels a certain way. It smoothens your skin. So because it's collagen, so it helps with fine lines, it helps to, it just does some smoothing things on your skin. So that's why I had to repurchase it. And when I was thinking of the best oil to use at night, it just had to be it. So I use this because, one, it penetrates easily into your skin, even if there is heat, even when there is no light. This is the oil I can use. Once I have my bath, I just apply it. And one trick to using oils on your skin is, after having your bath, don't dry your skin. Okay, so just pat dry, intentionally leave some parts of your body with water. So you just come and take little and apply. So with that water on your skin, it will help the application of the oil to be seamless, and it also helps the penetration. So as water is drying on your skin, it's also drawing in the oil into your skin. So that is what I use at night. And then for my weekends for this year, I have gone to vitamin C. This year is vitamin C year. So I have started with this Disaar vitamin C. It's actually like the cheapest vitamin C body lotion you can find in the market, and it's actually good. And I also like it because it doesn't contain vitamin C and other things. It is just plainly a vitamin C lotion. I have reviewed it, so I'm not going to be talking about the ingredients. If you want to know more about it, check the description box for the video where I talked about the ingredients. But the point is, it is just purely a vitamin C lotion, and it does what vitamin C do. Yes, so it brightens the skin, it helps with fine lines, it helps with wrinkles, it's anti-aging, it is antioxidant, it helps to undo what the sun has done to your skin. So that is why it is in my weekend skincare routine. So after I finish going out Monday to Friday, weekends are the days I undo what the sun has done to my skin, and that's where my vitamin C lotion comes in. So I use this on Saturdays and on Sundays, and sometimes some Sundays when the weathers are so hot, like I use it morning and night. Okay, I use it morning and night just to reap more benefits. Okay, so but some Sundays, when maybe the nights that are really hot, I skip the lotion at night, but morning is compulsory. I skip the lotion at night, and use my vitamin C or body oil at night. This vitamin C is actually nice. The vitamin C here is lemon peel oil, so it's quite active. Okay, so yeah, so I use this at night, I use this at day, but most preferably when the weather is okay, I just use this morning and night. So the last body lotion I have here, is this Rich and Pure lotion. I bought this just to review it for you all, and yeah, the cream is good, but it started lightening me more than I did want. Remember, I said I personally am no longer lightening my skin or anything. I'm just brightening, maintaining my skin, and also healing my skin. So what I use this for is for targeted places. Like maybe I go out and I come back, I notice that maybe I have a sun demarcation on my hand, I have a suntan. I will just use this and apply that place, just that particular place. I have demarcation, and in some days it's going to clear. So I don't use this like every day on my skin. It's just here as a repair cream, something like that. So this is also to let you know that you can get a particular lotion just for a particular reason. It mustn't be that because you bought that lotion, you will not be forced to rub it all over your body. Even if it's killing you, you must rub it. No, you can keep that cream to just use it on your knuckles, to use it on your elbows, on your knees, anywhere that is dark. Okay, just use it that place. So that is what this cream is in my routine for. I do not use it on my body. So last year I was using these two soaps with the Dove and with the Omega Sparkler. This is Timeless Secret Moringa Kojic soap. So it has the papaya and it has the carrots. I personally prefer the carrots oil. Okay, yeah, this is also good, but I just prefer the carrots oil. I used the carrot first, then I got this one, but I used both of them with this. So this was like my brightening and clarifying soap, and this was my moisturizing soap. If you're not new to my channel, you will know that I do double cleansing. That is, I use a clarifying soap first to wash my body, then I follow up with a moisturizing soap. So that is what I used last year. Then this year I am using, this year just like practically started, so my brightening soap for this, since this year, has been extract soap, and then I use it with this Siri soap. So this Siri is my clarifying soap, extract is my brightening and moisturizing soap. Extract is not really a clarifying soap because the surfactants it contains, that's the soap base it contains, is not a harsh, it doesn't contain all those SLS and all of that really foams and deep cleanses the skin. Okay, so yeah, for me personally, my skin is a bit oily, so it needs a bit of clarifying soap. So extract doesn't do that for me. That's why I paired it. But if you have a normal to dry skin, you can use only extract and it's going to be good for you. So this is my reason for using this also. I noticed that when I use only extract, it doesn't really deep cleanse my skin. I get to sweat a lot than normal. I just feel my skin doesn't feel okay. But immediately I joined using this extract with it, I was fine. So that's why I pair two soaps, because my skin likes deep cleansing. So that is everything. My basket is empty basically, and yes, this is my skincare routine. You can take my pattern, you can get all the products, but mind you, this routine is not going to lighten you. This routine is just a brightening routine, a maintenance routine, a healthy routine that is going to keep your skin bright, radiant, glowy, but yet healthy. The underline for this year is glow and health for our skin. So that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, if you need any clarifications, I'm going to be doing more videos about skincare routines. So like if this doesn't really target your personal skin or skin issues, more routines will be coming up on this channel. So stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share these videos to your friends and to your enemies. Let them see it. Thank you for joining me, and I'm going to see you on our next one.